Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about the Tangem wallet Black Friday deal. So if you guys have not yet picked up one of these beautiful hardware wallets, you guys can do it right now. So head over to the link tree, check out the link in the description below. You guys can save up to 30%. So we're going to talk about that, plus Tangem updates. Also, guys, let me know, what is your favorite hardware wallet? So have you used other ones? How does Tangem compare? So I want to know. Give me your thoughts and opinions. I also did a recent video. It should be on the channel by now. So right now it's just the Cardano Doomsday. Not sure why they would have hired Robert Downey Jr. Could have had the Moose. Right? Could have had the Moose. This is like the Alibaba of Marvel. This is the... I don't know. What else would this be? I mean, this is like maybe 2% Robert Downey right here. But it would have been cheap, right? You could have paid me in Cardano. Maybe give me a couple stable coins. I would have done the roll. Just use CGI. Right? Just whatever. Whatever. Anyways. I didn't get that part. Maybe I'll audition for the Hulk next. I mean... Mark Ruffalo is like 60. The Moose is half the age. Right? I'm 32. Come on, dude. The Hulk's not even real. Right? Just have me read lines, right? I'll read the lines. I'll be like, Bruce Banner. All right, guys. So hydrogen peroxide. We're going to mix that with H20. And then I turn into the Hulk, right? Make me green. Like, anyways, guys, Marvel. Hire the Moose. It's cheap. It's affordable. It makes sense. And he knows crypto, right? It could be Bruce Banner. Okay, we're going to have to go to non-custodial Marvel. Thor. Use Monero. I don't know. Anyways, guys, on a real note, if you guys want to save money and you want to get a hardware wallet that has continuously been working, that has never been hacked, that supports a bunch of crypto assets, guys, hit up the link tree. Go to Tangem, okay? Huge sale, right? Huge. It's going to be huge. We got that Tangem holiday box. I'm going to buy one for Melania. It's going to be incredible. We're going to make Tangem great again. All right, so guys, pick up one of these wallets, okay? You guys can pair or add or stack, whatever you want to call it. Code MOOSE, 10% off, along with Best Friends BF. I don't know why it's BF 2025. Whatever. BF 2025. You guys get 30% off. Get one of these cards. Seriously. Like, guys, if you want to protect your crypto. Guys, it's 40. It's not even $40. Guys, you get two of these. Two. Guys. Oh. If you guys get hacked on a centralized... If you guys have money... on a Binance, on Kraken, if you're using FTX, like, unsubscribe. That website shouldn't even be up. But anyways, guys, protect your crypto. If you are using crypto, if you have a bunch of Bitcoin, protect it. Use a hardware wallet. If you want to know why, I have videos. If you want to find out which wallet's the best, it is Tangem. I've already done the videos. Best crypto wallet for long-term hodl. Tangem wallet. I am going to promote on this channel the best hardware wallets, right? There's also the Tangem ring. The Moose lost his Tangem ring. So Tangem, if you're listening, send one over, okay? Just send one over. But guys, I have a bunch of videos. If you guys want to learn how to send your crypto to your Tangem, I've done that as well. And why Tangem? There's other reasons. Let's get into it. Yield mode activated. So I just did another video. It is yield mode activated, so you can hold your crypto in a non-custodial fashion and you can generate a yield without your crypto leaving. You can send, swap, receive while earning a yield. This is awesome. Freaking awesome. So on top of that, there's so much more with Tangem, right? So I did a step-by-step kind of overview of that. That will be up here. So it's the, what did I title it? Yield mode activated. I kind of just ripped off the title. That's the way it goes. Guys, Tangem is just awesome. Like, look how cool this is, man. BTC, Algo. It supports a bunch of tokens. This is the Black Friday sale we're talking about. This is probably going to be the thumbnail. Guys, comment down below. Like, have you been using a Tangem? What are your thoughts? It's also a great gift idea for friends or somebody that's into crypto and they maybe don't know what crypto is. Like, you know, you can get them involved a little bit. Tangem Pay, so self-custody instant spending. So this is another video I did, but going forward, rollout is gradual this month. So there's a little bit of info. Maybe we'll talk about it right now. I didn't do it in the previous video. I did do a step-by-step kind of video of Tangem Pay. So Tangem Pay is launching, almost 2,000 views. That's actually a lot for this channel. So, you know, just saying. Tangem Pay is the non-custodial payment account embedded inside your Tangem wallet. Will begin its gradual rollout this month. So USDC virtual Visa card on chain. So this is a virtual card where you can hold USDC on your Tangem and then you can spend it using your virtual card, right? So there's a bunch of info here. I believe I already went over it, but we can go over it a bit again. USDC is converted 1-to-1 to USD. So 1 USD is same value as $1 US, right? So that's the stable coin. It's pegged to the US dollar. Tangem Pay is an optional feature for your Tangem wallet. Now, US, it's 33 states. So out of what, like 50 something? Gradual rollout. I'm Canadian, so I don't even think this is available for Canadians. Dun dun dun. Not good. Tangem, if you're listening, I mean, to make support for one user out of Canada that I know wants to use it, it's probably not going to happen, but it would be great if you guys can get that figured out. Definitely get that figured out. So there's a Shaq. So anyways, guys, there's a bunch of great things going on with Tangem. In my opinion, I'm still loving the Tangem more than any other wallet. It's small, it's simple, it's sexy, it's fun. It's kind of like the Moose, but the Moose is kind of big. The Moose is not small. But guys, honestly though, this wallet fits. Make sure I'm not showing my cards. Now, there's no money in here anyways. I'm broke. So anyways, look. Boom. You could hear it. Look. I mean, if you guys want to sheath your card, look. Tangem Pay. That's not how you use Tangem Pay. But guys, these wallets are fantastic. Time and time again, I've just been loving them. Every time I get into the app, there's more token support. There's just ultimate simplicity, right? And we talk about that a lot, right? You want to have a hardware wallet that's simple to use, something that you can use with your app that feels safe, secure. Tangem's the way to go. So guys, use code Moose. This is the biggest sale that I've seen when it comes to Tangem. So you have, I believe it's until December 8th. Okay, you guys get 30% off. Like, this is no joke, okay? You guys can even pick up the Tangem ring, guys, for $105. And it comes with 2 cards. So, that being said, guys, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one. Comment down below what other content you would like me to cover in the future. I'm feeling a lot better this week, so maybe I'm feeling too good right now. I'm just gonna, you know, if what's his name? If Jake Paul loses to Anthony Joshua, I'm not fighting Anthony Joshua. Yeah, dude, I am not fighting that guy. Dude, that would be bad. No, that guy's huge. I probably wouldn't fight Jake Paul either, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm not that crazy. But on the ice, I'll fight him. If we're on the ice, I'll drop the mitts with anyone. Cheers.